Welcome to the CFD Weekly Overview of the global financial markets. The euro weakened against the dollar. Weak economic indicators from major Eurozone economies weighed on the euro, as well as the ongoing disagreement between the EU and Italy concerning the Italian budget. A deal between the EU and UK was supposed to have given a fresh boost to the pound. However, the British currency fell sharply against the dollar last week. UK Prime Minister Theresa May will spend the next 2 weeks trying to sell the Brexit deal to the British public and, more importantly, to Parliament. The Japanese yen weakened against the dollar after Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda ruled out an early end to negative interest rates in the country. Overall, the US dollar rose again above the 97 level, while US stocks fell sharply last week, with the S&P 500 dropping 3.8%. Trade war concerns persisted, while the FANG technology stocks led by Apple fell into bear territory. This week's G20 summit will be in focus for market participants, who will see if US President Donald Trump and his Chinese counterpart, President Jinping, can de-escalate the US-China trade war. Participants at the meeting, which includes Russia, Saudi Arabia and the US, are also likely to discuss crude oil prices and current supply. The Turkish lira continued to strengthen against the dollar, and the US dollar is now trading at a 3-month low against the lira. Gold prices were little changed last week, oscillating around the $1,220 level. Oil prices were in free fall last week. OPEC's commitment to stabilize inventories at or near its 5-year average is being questioned, and fears of the recent 2014 oil crash are worrying investors, especially as US crude inventories are surging. Reuters reported that Saudi Arabia raised oil production to an all-time high in November and produced around 11.1 to 11.3 million barrels per day. You've been watching the CFD Weekly Overview of the global financial markets.